stuff you're going to need to install the Knucklehead is the Knucklehead base itself, some rags to clean up. It's going to be a messy job. If you got a company logo shirt, turn it inside out. Your boss will be glad you did. We have the M1 adhesive for sealing the Knucklehead to the deck. And we have a pourable, in this case Sikaflex, for the to seal the pitch pocket once we're done attaching it. Other tools you'll need: tape measure to get your layout right, pencil to mark it. Do that. You'll need the 3/8/16 nut that will attach to the Knucklehead, an L-foot from your solar supplier, 9/16 wrench for the nut, a shim that'll come from Knucklehead, a notch trowel so you can get it spread evenly on the bottom of the base. That should do it. So procedure is get your layout, set your spot where your Knucklehead's going to go, make sure it's lined up over a joist, and then load up your caulking gun. Oh, actually, you need to release the caulking. And then load up your gun. Get the product rolling. This whole thing's a little bit cold because it's about 65 degrees here today, so it's coming out slow. You want a good fat bead, so when you hit it with your notch trowel, alright, I'm pretty happy with that. We got a nice coating on the bottom. Set it down and line up my holes over the joist. I got joist here, and there's 2 holes for our screws in the middle. Like I said, this is a messy process, so do your best to keep it cool. Then we're going to put down the anchors. There's a screwdriver bit in the box. Grab a couple of 3-inch anchors. We want at least 2 inches of penetration into the joist. And we're set up for maximum torque on this thing, and we're going slow. So we got it seated. We got a nice bunch of adhesive coming out of these weep holes here. Those kind of act like rivets and hold it down when we're not using this, but in this case we're good. So now we pull out our regular caulk and insert our pourable. That's not going to make it. So what do we got here? A rod of something. Alright, I got my pourable done. I didn't mess up the shop too much. And then this pourable material, you want to just shoot into the center. It's self-leveling, so don't worry about it. You can put it in a little bit on the high side. We're going to fill it up until we're up to the level of the weep holes, because we want to make sure that water gets out of this thing. And so in this case, our lower hole is this one. We want to see that running out just a little bit. And this stuff is terrible to run this stuff because it just goes everywhere and keeps on running. But now I'm up over the hole. It's starting to leak out a little bit. It'll leak out slowly. This thing is anchored down, so immediately we can go ahead and drop our shim. on there, put the L-foot on, attach a screw, get it roughly lined up, and ready to attach your rail. You can, once you get your rail bolted on, torque it down again. That's it. Shouldn't take very long.